Maria Sabinas Ban, CBS ED Science 1A. May 5 questions. 1. What was your mother-father like when you were growing up? Both my parents were really hardworking. My mother was kind and always made sure that everyone are happy while taking care of us. My father was quiet but responsible, but I could feel his care to our family. That's why growing up, I'm amazed to their dedication and how they build our family strong. Number 2, describe your relationship with your siblings. Me and my sisters close. We always support each other. Swin, we argued sometimes, but I know how much we cared for each other. What was your neighborhood like? Our neighborhood is simple. Everyone loves to help each other like family. Growing up here taught me to be cooperative and loving because our neighborhood is full of love. Number 4. What role does your religion play in your life? My religion guided me to where I am today. It gives me strength when I feel lost and reminds me to be grateful. I believe that our faith helps to see the positive in life. Number 5. What would you like to achieve before you start a family? Before I start a family, I want to have a stable job so I can be financially ready. At that time, I already gave my parents a life they wanted. I believe that preparing myself will help me to be a better parent someday. And based on Module 3, I learned that our family experiences and environment play a big role on shaping us. That reflecting now, I can see how these experiences affected my growth as an individual. Our parents and siblings influence our personality, while our community and beliefs are to our values. Understanding everything helps me to appreciate everyone that become a big part of my journey and still motivates me to develop myself and be a better version of myself.